warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Junaina and everyone. My name is Ismahani Binti Ismail. My matric number is 2025234528 and I'm from BE255 So in this video, I will presenting my research proposal entitled The Impact of Green Building Features on Building Management in Commercial Office Building. So firstly, I would like to explain the background of this study. In recent years, sustainability has become one of the main priority in the development of commercial office building in Malaysia. So many office buildings have started implementing green building features to improve the building performance while reducing environmental impact. Some of the common green building features include energy efficiency system, indoor environmental quality, smart automation, and digital control system. However, simply installing these green features is not enough. This is because their long-term performance depends on how well they are managed after the building is occupied. Therefore, effective building management play an important role in ensuring the system continue to operate efficiently and achieve their intended benefits. So next, I will explain about the problem statement of this issue. Even though the green building features are becoming more common in commercial office building, their actual impact on building management is still not fully understood. So previous studies have shown that the performance of green building may decrease over time due to poor monitoring and ineffective maintenance practice. Besides that, the building management team may experience difficulties when managing advanced green technology as part of their daily operation. At the same time, there are still limited studies that focus specially on post-occupancy building management in commercial office building. Because of this gap, this study aims to examine the impact of green building features on building management. So next, we move to the next part, which is a research question. This study has two research questions. For the first one is, what green building features are implemented in the commercial office building? And the second is, what are the impact of green building features on building management? Apart from that, this study also have research objective. There are two research objectives for this study. For the first one is to identify the green building features are implemented in commercial office building, and the second is to examine the impact of these green building features on building management. Now, I will move on to the literature review. The literature review is divided into two main sections. For the first section is discuss the implemented green building features, while the second section focus on their impact on building management. For the first section, four main green building features are discussed. The first feature is energy efficiency. This involves using energy-saving technology such as LED lighting, variable speed driver or known as VSD, and smart energy control system to reduce the electricity consumption and improve the overall building efficiency. The second feature is indoor environmental quality or known as IEQ. This focuses on creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment by maintaining a good temperature, ventilation, humidity, lighting, and air quality. The third feature is smart automation. This system uses sensors to automatically control lighting, ventilation, and air conditioning based on occupancy. As a result, energy is only used when necessary and helping to reduce unnecessary consumption. The final feature is a digital control system, which is this system allows building manager to monitor and control building operation through a central platform, making monitoring and maintenance activity become more efficient. Next, the literature review discussed the impact of green building features on building management. Previous studies suggest that energy efficiency features can help to reduce electricity consumption and lower operating costs. So good indoor environmental quality can create a healthier and more comfortable workplace, which may reduce occupant complaint and improve the overall working environment. Furthermore, Smart automation also can improve the operational efficiency because building systems are able to adjust automatically based on occupancy. Meanwhile, digital control system enable building manager to monitor equipment performance in real time, so it can identify the problem earlier and plan the maintenance more effectively. So overall, previous studies show that these green building features can improve building performance, reduce operational costs, and support more sustainable building management. So next is the research methodology. This study adopt a qualitative case study approach. This is because it allows the researcher to gain a deeper understanding of how green building features are implemented and managed in a real commercial office building. So for the data collection, this study will use face-to-face, which is semi-structured interview, and the respondent will be selected using purposive sampling, meaning only individual with relevant knowledge and experience will be chosen. So in this study, the respondent are the building manager or facility manager. This is because as they are directly responsible for managing the building and its green building system. After the interview have been complete, the data will be analyzed using qualitative content analysis. The interview recording will be first transcribed, and then the data will be coded to group into category and finally organized into teams that answer the research objective. Lastly, I would like to explain the expected contribution of this study. There are three expected contributions of this study. For the first one is for the property manager and facility management team, which is the finding may help to improve daily building operation, maintenance planning, and energy management practice. Next, for building owner and developer, this study can provide a better understanding of how green building features contribute to reducing long-term operating costs while improving the value and attractiveness of commercial office building. And finally, for future researcher, this study may serve as a useful reference for further research related to green building management and sustainable property management in Malaysia. In conclusion, this research focused on identifying the green building features that implemented in commercial office building and examining how these features influence the building management. It is hoped that the finding will be contribute to more efficient and sustainable management of commercial green office building in Malaysia. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you. Bye.